Hey, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. If you are a long-term antacid user or proton pump inhibitor user, please listen up. This is a finding I've been finding in a couple of my female clients recently who showed me their lab tests, and they're low on ferritin levels or iron, low on thyroid, or just on the verge of low thyroid, and low progesterone, amongst some other symptoms. But those were things that I was kind of noticing on their lab tests. They're also taking heavy antacids and have been for years. GERD, heartburn symptoms, here, take the antacid, and never told when to stop it or anything else to do with it, just basically symptomatic relief. So now, sometimes there is too little acid, and so you're giving someone an antacid that reduces a low acid level in the first place, and now you've got a real issue. Now we need the acid in the stomach to help digest a lot of the nutrients that we bring in, either the food that you're taking in or the supplements. And so if you're not getting that digestion process going, you might have low absorption of things that you're taking in. So in this case, my thought was low iron absorption from foods and intake, leading to low production because you need ferritin to help make your thyroid hormones, so low thyroid hormones, and you need the thyroid to help make the progesterone. So now we've got this sequelae of events, and what happens is you're given more antacids or told to take them, maybe giving iron supplements because you're low on iron or ferritin, and then perhaps if they think that your thyroid is low enough to actually take action on it, they'll give you some thyroid medication. Most cases, they'll say you're still within range and we'll wait to see if it becomes an issue, and then we'll give you some thyroid medication instead of kind of backtracking and looking at the root cause. So if we think about solving the digestive aspect of it, reducing the heartburn or the symptoms of that, maybe there's something going on in the small intestine that needs to be taken care of, an infection that might be brewing there and causing these symptoms of GERD, or helping to support the digestive process by providing digestive enzymes, treating the infection if there is one. You need to get that tested, or so helping that whole process and backtracking to the digestive aspect of it. And so the thought is that if the digestion is appropriate and healthy, then you'll start to absorb your iron again. Your ferritin levels will rise so that your thyroid will be supported, as will your other sex hormones. So please, 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 if you're on antacids for a long time, please find a functional medicine practitioner or an integrative health practitioner like myself that can help you get balanced and back on track, because long-term antacid use is not the answer. And if you don't trust me, I've put a link below from Chris Kresser that talks about this issue of too little acid and how this can be an issue if we're constantly fed antacids. So that's all for now. I'll see you next time.